Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northern Canadian County in central Oklahoma, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Okarche, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Guthrie, Kingfisher, Piedmont, Crescent, Okarche, Cashin, Calumet, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Concho, Nadina, and Seward. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.